So unbox with me what I bought for my kids, because we all know that this is a third term where parents spend more, school party, school this, school that, and end of the year session, abi, is it? I hope I ask can me be English well. End of the year party where schools are doing end of the year party just to celebrate them, you understand. You see kids doing ballet, doing cultural dance, doing this, doing that. Parents are really spending. God, thank you for providing. So I got stuff for my kids. I have just three graduates. I have okay, just three graduates, but all my kids are participating, which means double expenses, you understand. And I'm so happy that I have the money to afford it for them, because you see, one thing with kids, when they are given something to present and um you did not support them by providing that stuff for them, to me they feel inferior. Yes, let me use that word, they feel inferior. Yes, but parents, please do well to always be there for your children. I know for the little one you can, even if it's old one, try and make it clean for them to participate in anything they are doing in school. Because what motivated me is last year graduation, before I pack into this area, I went to my daughter's graduation when she was graduating from primary to secondary school. So I saw parents, the kids. I was like, I'm a failed mother. I have not been to my children's school party. I have not participated. I have not gone to their their, as in, there is a time they will tell parents to come and see their children in school, you understand, parent visit. I've not done it for my kids. I was like, I'm a failed mother. I don't know. And the thing has been sitting in my mind that I have to be doing this for them so that they will feel among, they will be alive. When they see other children, their parents, and see you, they will be revived in some part. I don't know, man. So type English, or na what type you understand? So let me unbox this thing that I bought. I tried going live, but network was disturbing me. But any which way, the video must be done either by going live or by recording. You understand? So let me show you guys what I bought for them. And their school party is a week today, which is Saturday, on the 11th of July. Yeah, and that will be the end of the school for this section. So I got black trouser for the boys, and this black trouser for the boys is um they'll be using, this one is for Destiny. Excuse me. This one is for Destiny. And one thing I love about this trouser is okay. If I did not tell you that it's okay, you will not know. Very clean. This my camera is not doing justice to it. Very clean. And I will tell you the price at last. And this one is for Henry, the older boy. Why this is for Cancy, the second person. And this one is for Destiny. And do you know the price I bought them? Okay, very clean. If you go to ready made, if they wash this thing very well and iron it, tell you price. My sister, my brother, you're going to buy it. Afternoon there. I want to buy card. Sorry, fam. As I was saying before my customers came, if they wash this trouser, iron it, put it in nylon, keep it in a boutique where you enter, AC will touch you. My sister, if they tell you this trouser 7,000, you are going to be buying it. But how much did I buy it? 4,000. Don't tell your neighbor. You understand? Don't even tell your neighbor that I said so. And don't doubt me where I bought it. Aba, not here in Port Harcourt. So what do you want?
I want to buy sugar.
Sugar, how much? So let's move over to the next one, because my daughter will be doing participating on a ballet. Is it ballet dance or what? So they requested for hose, this panty hose, white, and the white top and the gloves. So I got this hose. Tell me if it's a good buy. All this I'm showing you, if it is a good buy. I bought this hose. I bought this panty hose for 3.5 for my daughter. I bought this panty hose for 3.5, and I got this top. I got this top for, I think, either 5,000. I got this top for 5,000, and this skirt, I saw it, though it will not be her size, is bigger. We'll have a smaller one of it, and I didn't know that we'll have a smaller this kuru kuru skirt in the house, so she'll be using that one. But this one, I bought it, the elder sister will be wearing it. I bought this one for 4,000. Very nice. See this skirt, she's going to be wearing it for church, for outing. That is my elder daughter. The skirt is very nice. Yeah. So the next one is this gown. This gown, guys, sorry if you're hearing noise. Today is Saturday, so the kids are in the house. You can hear noise anyhow. So this gown, I didn't budget for this gown, but I saw it and I like it, and my daughter tested it. She wore it. Yes, let me not say tested, because she did not put it in her mouth. She wore it, and the gown just fits her very well. I was like, hey, wait, let me call your daddy. Oh, go. They said, why they did not say. And I told the father, please don't send though. They said your daughter should wear this. And Odogu responded, thank you, honey, because I know that you will watch this video. Definitely, you're going to be watching it. So thank you for buying this gown for your daughter, for our daughter. You understand? So I bought this gown. Very nice, very fine. I bought this gown for 15,000 naira. Forget about the price. If you touch this clothes, oh my god, I wish it's my size. This gown, I wish it's my size. I'll be wearing it. I will not give it to her. The gown is so nice, very beautiful. So watch out on our graduation day, when they will be fitting all these clothes. You understand? If you have watched this moment, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into Adashu's TV. Thank you for unboxing with us. You understand? Because this is our lifestyle. We are documenting everything. When my kids grow up, they will say, ah, my mommy was once. So thank you for watching our video, and I will see you. I will see you definitely when they will be wearing it. Keep on checking our video if we have uploaded, so that you will not miss out. And if it is your first time of coming across this channel for the very first time, you're on the right track. You understand? You know that the right track, Ihana the right track. You're on the right track. Understand? The Kamarita Bire. Welcome, and don't forget to give us a subscribe, and turn on your bell notification, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Yo.